So I have my two C's taken care of. Now rule number 1 says I remove the two remaining voices in stepwise motion in the same direction. So, where's my F going to?
G.
So my F's going to move to a G?
No.
Then where's my A going to go to?
B, that's not the chord. So you
Right.
go down to an E.
Right. So that my F is going to move down to the E.
And then your A is going to move down to a G, and those are all in the chord.
There you go. And the A is going to move down in stepwise motion to the G. So, if I write and notate, this would be, I used rule number 2A. And for this chord, I used rule number 1. Now, I have repeated chords again, and I'm going to now apply rule 2B, or not to be. That is the question. All right, so we're going to use rule 2B, which is option 2. It says the alto holds the same note. So my alto is going to hold its note. And tenor and soprano are going to swap notes. So my tenor is going to take the E, and my soprano is going to take the C. Notice they're moving in opposite directions, and they're both doing leaping. That is okay. Lindsay.
How do you know whether to use option 1 or option 2?
Good question. You will use either option depending upon how you want your melody to look, and again, what are the vocal ranges for your soprano, alto, and tenor?
So it's pretty much up to us.
Correct.
If we would have used 2B on the first one we did, it would have been okay.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I just chose to do it in this order so you could see how we use both rules.
Right.
So like on a test, you'll tell us use rule 2A here?
Nope.
No?
On a test, I'll give you the starting chord, and I'll give you the bass line, and then you part right using rules 1, 2A, and 2B. The requirement will be is that you must use each rule at least once. So you'll have to use rule 1, of course, but then rule 2A and 2B must be used at some point in your composition. Okay? So does everybody understand now how we applied rule 2A and 2B? Clear as mud, or is it actually making sense?
Right, it makes
I almost said
clear as pond water, what did you say?
Pond water, it's a little fuzzy, but
A little murky, but I can sort of see the bottom.
all right. Okay. Okay, so then, I love it, pond water. It's a little murky.
AP music theory is making my mind a little crazy. I just thought the Spanish word for a little bit. I almost said poquito to you when you asked me how it is.
Oh,
Like, I've been on Nicaragua for 2 months.
I would understand that. Okay, so then what we're going to do is I'm going to put one up on the board for you to complete for me for tomorrow. And then we're going to go back and we're going to do some more dictation just to give your brains a little bit of a break from composition. A headache?
Oh, don't tell her that. She'll make it not a break.
Oh, I'm so sorry. All right.
That's mean, Jamie. That's mean.
Okay, so we're in the key of
Let's go first. And also, he doesn't see us laughing.
yes. Poor Stephanie's left in the dark. Fifth.
Or you get the trick yet. Don't matter. But you gotta do the trick.
Yeah, where's it going?
Do it. Doesn't have any.
The best
Talking
part is
about.
Dustin's reaction. No. He wants to listen to it almost faster.
All right.
I don't believe
I don't.
So that's your
you.
notes for
Yep.
tomorrow.
I gotta do a half hour of ear training tonight.
I did an hour. Mrs. B, don't you need to give us the first chord?
Oh yes, thank you.
You do that a lot.
Shoot, I always forget to give you the first chord.
With Mrs. P.
All right. Okay. I gotta make sure I give you enough room.
We can even pick a team.
What?
No.
And they're gonna provide us with a study party.
Okay. You should have an AP just study.
There we go.
That'd be fun.
It'd be grand old time.
I would suggest my house, but my sister's
And you don't want to
All right, so there's your first chord.
I don't want to be seen with my sister.
No, she doesn't.
Different.
No, she doesn't want to hear it.
Hey, thanks for the email. Hey, when's this quarter end, by the way?
Next Friday.
Cool. Then Jeremy will have enough time to get my payment for the book. Dad.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's sweet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Such a nice guy.
I forwarded that email to my mom, and she's like, "What? I didn't know we had to pay." I was like,
Hey, I forwarded it to her too, but my mom didn't even answer, so.
All right.
That's what she told me. I'm like, oh.
Okay. 3/4. 4 measures of 3/4, and then
We're doing a dictation now?
Whoa,
Yep,
whoa.
dictation.
Oh my gosh.
rhythm.
Oh, I'm telling you.
It's the Knoll.
4 measures of rhythmic dictation.
I almost find it easier when it's melody, because then you can like
Sing it.
get a tune in your head.
Right.
For rhythm, you gotta go.
With the choir people, I really gotta screw
Go. Okay, here we go.
We're walking on the rhythm.
4 measures of 3/4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna get Alex started, and then I'll come back out and play the rhythm again.
So, go get it, go get it. That would be bad.
Just all of a sudden. Hi, Stephanie.
She's 20.
Yeah, let's get her. Yeah,
Love
get her turned around.
you.
It's alright, Stephanie, she's been looking at that for quite some time. Hello, tilt her down.
I can't see her. Can't see her. Yep, there we go.
Stephanie, how's it going? Hello.
Are you mimicking her or something?
How is this supposed to be 4 measures?
Is that all she understands?
And he'll be like, oh, thanks. And we'll be like laughing at the dog. So can we agree that Stoker is our babysitter?
No, nanny.
We gotta
There's
say
a
nanny.
difference,
We gotta say
because
nanny.
Nannies are there when the parents are there too.
No, nannies are not there.
Yeah, babysitters come and watch the kids when the parents
I'm
go.
gonna go check out the
Nannies
rhythmic dictation.
Why
can't.
do we need
Guys,
nannies?
we have discussed something very important to our family.
I can't
What
wait
is
to
that?
Lindsay has been talking to other guys late at night.
Why are we talking about this?
Who's pregnant?
All right, here we go again. Well, you turn her around. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Take that second.
All right.
And
Break the silence.
I lost it. I had it, and then Dustin did that, and now it's gone. It's just gone.
I accidentally started counting in 4-4.
Don't!
Somebody need a timeout.
Maddie.
Why?
I got the second measure.
Got the first and the last.
I think I have. Yeah, I have like the first and the last. How do you guys get first and last? That would be smart.
We same thing.
No, we don't.
The first measure
What's
is
the first measure?
Oh.
Yeah, but the last measure.
Yeah, I have something different than my last measure too.
What do you?
Well, I used just the last two.
When she
notes.
goes,
Did you last?
Yeah.
that's, those are,
Because it's like.
16?
16.
Yeah.
But doesn't the
Can you
last
play
one
it on your
have
belly?
like
Thanks.
Yeah.
I don't know, remember I started counting in 4-4?
Okay, never mind.
I think a fly flew out of my mouth today in 0 hour band.
Oh.
Well, I was talking and then all of a sudden, no, I'm sorry, it wasn't in 0 hour band. I think it was at supper time or something like that last night.
Oh.
Okay.
So you ate a fly and then it came out.
I'm trying to think where did oh yeah, I was at Pizza Hut. When this kid called me and asked me if I had the movie Hercules.
We're
Randomly.
gonna come over and come eat your pizza.
No, we're going to your house, Mamie.
No,
Mixed up.
no, because we have family
Does he
video.
have
Jordan.
some sort of mental disorder?
We have family video.
Ask Pops.
in our family.
We have
Because
family
he always
video
says-
looking for Hercules, and also we're just like, I call you and I'm like, do you have Hercules? And you're like, no, what kind of question is that? I'm like, where are you? You're like, Pizza Hut? I'm like, pizza.
All right, last time.
Last time.
We had just gotten our pizza when you called.
Well, I could have came over and ate that.
Okay,
for
so
you.
here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
No, it wasn't.
No,
It
she wasn't.
wasn't.
No, she wasn't.
All right.
That's not funny. I think their measure is 268, 268. No, it shouldn't have Albert.
Beats are more 16.
They're not 316.
It is 216 anyways, like you said. That's what I had down.
For which one? For which
The
one?
third measure.
Then I have a quarter note in the third
Goes.
measure.
Quarter note in there.
I think the last.
Because it went,
No, that's a chord note and then
there was a quarter note,
Where are we going to put this?
I think I nailed this one.
there was a quarter note in the third measure. And then not a half note in the last measure.
how many 316s though?
Two.
Yeah.
She said she's gonna do it. Here, I'll go. I'll play it again.
Yeah, that'd be really great. I was listening to it while she walks out. I wasn't listening to anything. That was them. I covered my